Hi cute kids, how are you? Today I am going to draw a beautiful apple and a cute knife. Let's start drawing. First of all, I am drawing a beautiful apple. I love to eat apple very much. Kids, do you like apple? I eat apple daily. I love it. Now let's draw a cute knife. As you know, knife is used to cut fruits, vegetables. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. Now let's make outline more visible. Apple and knife are looking so beautiful. Kids, take a paper and pen and start drawing with me. Now let's start coloring. First of all, I am using brown color, dark green color in the leaf, and the next color I will use will be red color. Wow, we will make a rainbow apple and it will look so cute. Now it's yellow color. Now it's green color. We will take color one by one and fill them in the apple and it will looking so cute. Now it's dark blue color. Wow, it's looking cute. Now I am filling orange color in the apple. Kids, do you know color names? And now I am filling purple color. And finally again red color. Now let's fill knife with yellow color and green color. Wow, both are looking so beautiful. Bye bye.